now we're gonna work on wine brush. I'm just gonna lay it out, kind of get a feel for where I want to put everything. Like I said earlier, I want to definitely put it. I want to put the ECU in the car itself. So make it cleaner. I'm gonna try and make this as clean as possible. I know we're in South Texas and AC is almost damn near a mandatory thing, but we'll see how long I can get away with it. I'm just waiting for my head gaskets to come in so I can start cleaning up those other heads. Those I need to clean those up and do another kind of head job like I did on the other ones. Hopefully it's not going to look too questionable, and I can get away with just lapping the valve, just do a valve lap on them, and call it good. Alright, so normally this is how it would sit. Got this gnarly old end that comes all the way up over the crosshair, and that's where it plugs in. ECU would be sitting right here. So, Jesus, man. This area is a lot tighter than a lot closer together than the freaking Suburban was. That's for damn sure. Because this would normally sit on top of your intake right there. So since I want to take this and put this aside, I've got a hole right there. There's a hole right back in here behind the passenger side. There's a good sized hole about yay big. I believe most of this will get cut off. This is the main portion right here. Everything that's going to need to get power. So if that runs from inside, I have a feeling it's going to take me a couple days. It's definitely going to take me a couple days. Coil pack plugs in right in the middle. Sit. Thanks. What I say? I'm gonna bolt it down. These are on injectors. 8, 6. Alright guys, so this is pretty much going to wrap up my video. I was still kind of finishing stuff up. I lost the clip for the following day. I'll have to show you another day. But what I ended up doing was tucking the wiring harness that I have in my hand here and taping it all together and stuffing it underneath the intake, and it actually kind of works. It's a little tight, and I'm hoping that the heat won't get to the wiring too bad. It cleaned up everything nice. I was able to route the wires for the driver's side of the motor, route the wires up through the little gaps in the intake and the head, plug all the injectors in, kind of get it finagled. So the motor's actually out, as you see in the beginning of the video. Motor's out of the car, so that was a day later, I think. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Give me any advice you might have for this wiring harness. It's the first time I'm learning that you just take your time and kind of work with it. After I did the Packard, I kind of noticed that wiring's not that bad. You just got to take your time with it and really pay attention to what you're doing. But if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you on the next video.